Hey dolls, it's your girl Karen, aka Miss Clamsdoll, and welcome back to my channel. So guys, you guys made it back, so glad. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for every time I post a video, you can see it, and also like and comment. I like when you guys comment because I like to interact with you guys. So please tell me how I'm doing because I don't know how I'm doing because you guys don't tell me. I'm so excited. I know it's not a lot, but I did reach 102 subscribers as of this morning. I don't know if it changed. You guys are watching a little bit. So, I tell you, I gain about 3 to 5 subscribers every day. So, I've only been doing this since November. And, well, actually, let's roll back. I actually started this channel back in 2018, and I never really posted. I never really did anything because I just was busy with my life, and I just didn't know how important it was to post. But now I feel like I'm just in a better place. I had to get my mind together because I really didn't know like what I wanted. I had just been through a divorce, so a lot of things. I just had to get my mind straight, and I just wasn't ready to and happy and to just bring you guys the person you see in front of you today. So thank you. I just want to say thank you guys. Please, more people come over. Come on, y'all. It's a good place to be. I'm very informative. I am. But it's good to see where I started. So unlike me, don't be like me, because I have no idea what I'm doing. I just decided turn the camera and I'm going to do whatever, and I'm doing it whatever. But I promise you, I am learning every day. Like, I wake up 4:30 in the morning and I am studying. I am going over content, editing, writing down notes. I am learning. I really am learning, and I promise you, I'm gonna get better and better. Like, I'm determined. Like, when you want something, and I'm determined to get better at YouTube. I am. But today's video, I'm going to tell you with nobody telling me. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. I just put myself out there, put videos out there. I didn't know about thumbnails. I didn't know about editing. I didn't know about anything. I just fuck it. I'm gonna just do a YouTube channel. Love it. But I didn't know all that came with it. Like, it's really a journey, and I want to produce clear, crisp, clean, professional looking content, because I'm just a little bit of a perfectionist. So I'm going to get better at everything. And that's one of the things that I do want to talk about. But I'm gonna go down the list. You see me, I have my list here, and I'm going to tell you the 10 mistakes you're probably gonna make, but please don't make them. Once you see this video, maybe you won't make them, okay? But 10 mistakes that you should not make when you are starting or revamping or thinking about starting a YouTube channel. Like I said, nobody told me this, so I had to find this by myself. So I'm like, hey, I'm a very educational, informative person. So let my people know that this shit hard as hell. But here we go. And I don't have my glasses, so excuse me. Okay. I'm gonna talk about my iPad. I've had an iPad. I use my iPad for work. I close my clients out. That's why I bought it originally, so I can put my software on my iPad. I can travel around and I can close out clients with my iPad, because I don't do too much freelance anymore. As you don't know, I'm a celebrity stylist, So I really don't go on location too much anymore because I'm a little older. So yeah, you need to come to me because I'm well like sought out. So you gotta go to me. But anyway, my iPad. I did not know you could do so many things with that iPad. I'm like looking at YouTube. Just agree, please, to find out anything you want to know. And the girl was just like, oh yeah, you use your iPad for this, and then you get this, and you get that. I'm like, what? So, you got an iPad, use the iPad because the iPad is amazing. You can film, you can do whatever with the iPad. What I just learned, what I'm going to do with the iPad, because my friends always say, hey, write down a script. You guys listen. Write down a script of what you want to talk about. There's an app, a teleprompter app. You write everything in there, you put it up, and when you're here, you can read. You just put it right behind your camera and you just read, or you can put it like right here and just read so you don't have to wing it like I'm doing it right now. So, oh, and a stylus pen. I didn't know Apple had a pen. I didn't know. I know now, and that joint is so decent. Like I didn't know, but now I know. And it helps you draw. You can draw. You can create. You can. There's an app called Create Pro that I just found out about. You can like draw things like on your thumbnails, like when you're putting up pictures, like for your Instagram, YouTube, not YouTube, TikTok, all those, Facebook, whatever. You can draw and do like cool stuff. I just found out about it like 2 days ago, and I used it, and I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna keep trying. I'm gonna keep trying until I get it right. Now not smack, because I go back and I watch my videos. I'm really trying hard not to smack. Like I really want to come to you guys and give you the best content that I can get, because soon I'm gonna be working with brands, and if somebody's gonna be paying me $1,000 for a campaign, I can't be smacking. So I gotta get better. Like I gotta get better. So camera. I have a camera. I'm not filming with that camera. Actually, I'm filming on my second phone, which is an iPhone 11. I usually film with my 12. And I also found out that you have to put it on 4K. Just found that out a couple of days too. So now that I know 4K, it seems, and I put videos out and it's like night and day. But you can go out and get a camera if you want. And I did. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna start my YouTube channel. I'm gonna buy me a camera, and I'm just gonna be ordered. Don't work like that. Don't work like that, okay? I had this camera since my birthday. My birthday was August, and it's about to be August again. And I have not used this camera at all because I don't know what I'm doing. But I did go on YouTube to find out how to use it. So before I completely use this, I'm going to make sure I know all that I can, because my goal is to bring you guys like the best quality that I can. Like I'm really determined to do that for you guys. And using your cell phone, I was just talking about the camera. You don't have to use the camera. You can use your cell phone for everything. Learn your settings. Get to know your settings. Like me, I never, I say hello on the phone. That's it. Text. That's all. Go on Instagram. That's what I use my phone for. I didn't know my phone had all those settings and all those things, and now I do. So it's awesome, but I didn't know it did all that. So get to know your phone settings, and you can film. You can take pics. You can, in the portrait mode, when you want to take pictures for your Instagram, really good tool. It makes it look really professional if you really know what you're doing. And it's all about your angles, guys. It's all about your angles. I had to learn angles because I'm older. So I don't know about, I'm not that kind that put the, how the old people put the phone up in and they do the selfies. I was never that type, but I don't really know my angles, and I'm becoming familiar with the camera now. But see, I just smacked. See that? I hate it. I don't know how to not do it. I just don't. So forgive me if I smack. Sorry, y'all. Next one, your lighting. Oh goodness, your lighting. Your lighting is so important. Like if I had the right lights right now, because like it's dark outside and I lost light, so this might be a little dark. If I had the right lighting, like a light here, a light here, you know, my skin would be glowing and I would be looking like an angel. No, a goddess. I won't be an angel, I won't be a goddess. Yeah, that's what I would be. But I don't have no lighting. All I have is a little ring light right now. And you don't have to, like, start with what you have. You don't have to have a lot of money to start it. Like, I know people that start with just the phone and the sunlight. And they have like 500K now. Okay? So just as you go along, don't try to invest a whole bunch of money because it's not worth it. You can find free stuff. Your background. I had to learn this. Background, so important. Like, make sure your background is not too busy. I just tried to give you guys different backgrounds because I thought that was fun, but no, it's not not even the right thing to do. You just gotta make sure that you're giving clear, quality videos. So your background's important. Like today I decided I'm in my dining room and I have a really pretty house. So I can film from anywhere in here and it's gonna look gorgeous because I have a beautiful house. So I decided to do this today just to see how it was gonna work out. So I kind of like it. So I might be doing more videos from my dining room. Maybe not. So next, don't buy a media kit. I bought a media kit and I'm upset because all the shit that I bought, I actually didn't learn from the media kit. I learned from free YouTubers. They tell you stuff, tell you how they start, tell you what they use, and they even put up on the screen how to use it. Okay, I gotta get that too. So, don't buy the media kit. I bought a media kit, and I'm gonna tell you that I ain't even opened the media kit, okay? Because I've been on YouTube finding out free shit. So, whatever you do not buy the media kit. They're gonna tell you that you need to though, because you know that their purpose is to make money from you. Though, and you're new, you don't know, so you think you need it, and you're like, oh, help your subscribers grow. And there are people who are gonna tend to you, no matter what. So if it's meant for you, it's meant for you. If it's not, it's not. It's just what it is. It is what it is. So find a channel. This is number 7. Find a channel. Hope you guys are writing this down now. Write it down. Number 7. Find a channel that best fits you and your personality. I find it best to find somebody that you like and you feel like is a lot like you, and kind of study them, see what type of stuff they post, and you know, I'm not saying be like just be like them, but you know, just similar, because you guys gonna have similar. Like I have somebody that I love her, and I feel like even when she talks and talks about stuff, I'm like, bitch, that's me. But she's like 12 years younger than me, so I feel like she's like a little sister. Yeah, I love her, and I look at her content and I really appreciate everything that she does, because it's really, I know a lot of work goes into that. So I'm aspiring to be, you know, similar to what she has now. And she says she's been going at it for like 3 years, so we'll get there. So tell a story. Everybody wants to hear a story, or they want to be educated about something. That's what YouTube is about. You talk about, oh, how do I hang a picture up? You go to YouTube, it shows you a whole bunch of people that shows you how to hang a picture up, how to do a lace wig, so forth and so on. That's what YouTube is for. So be educational or tell a story. And then not only that, people are nosy. They want to know your business, honey. So kind of still trying to keep it private. I feel like you could tell them so much, like, but don't tell them anything. Like, don't just on the floor yesterday and hey, you want to see it? Don't do shit like that. Like, I hate that shit. Number 8. No, tell a story was number 8, right? Number 9. Stop listening to too many people. Everybody's going to have their opinion. Everybody's going to tell you this, tell you that. I do listen to a couple of different YouTubers and influencers. So I narrowed it down because one says this, one says that, one says this, one says that. So I narrowed it down to 2 people that I kind of get information. They give information about, you know, apps and how to start and how the journey they went through. So, and it's very similar to me. So I'm down to 2 people. So don't listen to everybody those 2 people are very, very successful. So those are the people that I want to mimic or be similar to, because if it's my personality and they're what I'm trying to be. And then number 10, this is the last thing, so I'm not trying to make this video all long, but don't expect instant fame, instant views, instant subscribers. Don't expect that. Like, it's gonna come in time. But I have heard some people put a video up and they go viral. Like, that never happens to me, like, never. But hey, you never know. So just all you gotta do, post, 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 post. I can't say it enough. Keep posting and it will click. Your audience will come to you. They will find what you like. And of course, you got to do your tags and your hashtags and your title. Your title has to be a good title. I learned that, like, your title has to be good. I'm working on that. Like I said, I'm still a rookie. I'm learning the ropes and I feel like I'm going to get better, and it is what it is. So I told you I don't want to keep, my necklace, guys. I just got this today from TJ Maxx. It's a little birdie. I don't know what kind of bird it is. Oh, it's a hummingbird. It's cute, right? I love it. And then my dress, of course, is from Zara. You know, I'm a good Zara girl. But lately, Zara has been disappointing me. It's like I go in there, literally, it's hit or miss. Sometimes I find something, sometimes I don't. They're having a big sale. Since the day after Christmas, I kind of missed the sale because I was in Disney one week and then the other week I was sick. So then when I finally got out in the streets to go to Zara to see the sale, they didn't got all the good shit. So I'm gonna end this video and thank you for watching, guys. And don't forget, subscribe. See you guys.